On April 1st, 2021, the new version of the ORSC Residential Energy Code went into effect with a 6-month phase-in period, which ends on September 30th, 2021. Projects permitted on October 1st or later will need to comply with this new version of the building code. To help building professionals with this transition, NEA, the Northwest Energy Efficiency Alliance, developed this document, the 2021 Oregon Residential Energy Code Summary. This concise 3-page document provides you with an overview of the significant changes to the Energy Code. Let's have a closer look. The document covers the significant changes in the Energy Code to the building envelope, ventilation systems, mechanical systems, as well as changes in the energy efficiency additional measure requirements. In the envelope changes, all windows will require a U factor of 0.27 or lower. Slab edge perimeter requires R15 insulation at a minimum of 24 inches horizontal or vertical below grade. You must air seal the building shell according to the air barrier criteria outlined in Table 1104.8, or demonstrate air leakage of not more than 4 ACH 50 with a blower door test. You must also air seal between the top plate and interior wall covering where the wall is in contact with vented attics. The handout includes Table 1104.8, which outlines all of the areas of the envelope that must be air sealed. In ventilation changes, a balanced whole house ventilation system is now required. Local exhaust or supply fans are permitted to serve as part of such a system. A supply fan ducted to the return side of an air handler can serve as the supply ventilation for the balance of the system. All exhaust fans are required to have Energy Star ratings. A timer, dehumidistat, or other automatic control is required on all exhaust fans, including in half baths. Recirculating kitchen hoods are allowed if there's 20 CFM continuous exhaust somewhere in the home and a natural ventilation opening is provided. Makeup air dampers must be gravity or electrically operated to open when the exhaust system operates. In the mechanical changes, we see HVAC systems and ductwork must be located in conditioned space. Alternatively, R8 insulated ducts may be deeply buried under a minimum of R19 insulation. However, the air handler must be installed within the conditioned envelope. Tapes shall not be used to seal metal ducts. Mastic is required. Exceptions are allowed at equipment requiring future replacement. Water supply lines must be insulated to R3 for 8 feet in and 8 feet out of water heating systems. And new central furnaces must have electrically commutated motors. The additional measures tables in section N1101.1 are now combined into one table in the 2021 ORSC. A project must now meet one option from Table N1101.12 as an additional energy efficiency measure when following the prescriptive path. Oregon Building Codes Division provides technical bulletins which provide helpful additional detail and examples on how to meet the 2021 requirements for insulation and installation of ducts, balanced mechanical whole house ventilation, and slab-on-grade insulation for new dwellings. Oregon Building Codes Division also offers a significant changes summary document on their website that covers all of the changes to the ORSC. This 86-page document is a comprehensive look at all of the changes from the 2017 to the 2021 Residential Building Code. For questions or more information about the 2021 ORSC, please visit the Oregon Department of Energy website at this link, where you'll find more information, resources, and contact details for the Energy Code Hotline if you have specific questions.